Hello guys, we are here
Yes.
again with our lovely cats. Woohoo! Running, jumping, yay!
Careful, Nixie.
Come on, babies. Come on, jump. Jump. Nixie, Eros, Raya. Come on, baby. Ooh. Yes. Come on, baby. Yes. It's playtime. It's playtime, babies. Come on, baby. Jump. Come on. Hey, come on. Riru. Oops, Mr. Eros is there. Eros, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Gaya. Oh, you're too heavy now, Orion. Huh? You're too heavy now to jump. Huh? Come on, jump. Wait. Oh, woo. Come on, baby. Jump. Ooh. Ooh. What? Come on. What to do? Very slow boy. You're too fat now. Huh? You're too heavy to jump now. Huh? Alright. Oi. Come on, babies. Rayaru, where are you? Hello, baby. Come on, Eros. Yes, that's our Eros. Yes, that's our Eros, pretty boy. Why? What are you doing there? Come here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. What? It's gone. It's gone, baby. Oh. Rayero is jumping. Yes. Whoop. Yes. Where'd it go? Oh. Whoop. Lost. You lost it. Come on, naughty boy. Yay! That's our Rayero. The jumper. Yeah. Come on, Ruru. No, everybody's gone. What to do? Pretty boy? You're too heavy to jump now? Huh? Yeah? Huh? Yes? Huh? Hey! Hello, Eros, baby. Eros, come on. Oop, Eros. Oops, it's gone. Huh? Hello, pretty boy. Huh? What to do? Huh? Oop. Come on, play. You have only just 3 minutes passes. You're not your turn already? Huh? Hey! Come on. Yay! You are very lazy. Here comes the little one. Oop. Come on, Rayero. Jump. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, he's coming again. Yes, that's the most exciting part of the game. Jumping. Come on, baby. Whoop. Come on. Yeah.
Hey, Ross, what have you done? Silly Billy boy. Whoa.
Come on. Whoop. You're very lazy to play.
Oh,
You're very lazy to play. Huh? Roo. Up. It's there. Come on. It's there. Oh. Yes. What to do? Ay, lazy. You too lazy to play now? Just wants to eat and eat and eat. Ruru, come on, Ruru. 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 Wait, come here. Ruru. Oh. Oh, oh, he's jumping again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes. Oop. Yeah. Ooh, yes. That's our most, what do you call this? The most energetic cat. Yeah. Come on, baby. Yeah. Yay. Come on, baby. Woo. Are you tired? Huh? Ruru? Ruru? Mr. Naughty Boy don't want to play. He's too heavy on jumping now, maybe. Ruru. Oh, 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 somebody's there, somebody's there. Oh, that's our Eros. Oh, oh, oh. Ruru. And you? Are you lazy to play now? Huh? You're too heavy now to jump? Huh? Mister? Mister? Come on, jump, jump, jump. Come on. Yes. Mr. Penguin? Penguin, penguin. No. You're very lazy on playing now. Eros, baby boy. Come on, pretty boy. Come on, play. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Here comes Nixie. Nixie, Nixie. Are you gonna play? Oh, oh, oh. You lost it. You lost it. Where'd it go? Oh, what? It's still there? Oh, it's still there. Yeah. Come on, Nixie.
Kaya.
Nixie, can you jump, Nixie? Nixie. Is Nixie maybe is still limping, yeah. She can jump.
Yeah,
Gaya.
she's on the move.
Gaya. Wait. And you? You're not cannot jump now? Too heavy to jump now? Eh? Come on, Gaya. No, Gaya is not good in playing.
Kaya.
Get one of, and come on, baby. Ruru. Yes, that was that's Nick's Black Lady and the pretty boy Eros. Oh, come on, baby. Woo. Come on, baby. You lost it. Yes, yes, yes. He comes again. Yeah. Come on, baby. Yay. Jump, 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 jump. You're too right. That's why you can jump longer than anybody else, isn't it? That's our baby Rhea. And here comes Mr. Pretty Boy. What are you waiting there? Huh? He is not jumping anymore. He's too heavy to jump now. Ah, naughty boy. Naughty boy. Naughty boy. Hey. He's too heavy to jump now. That's why he don't like to jump. See? Just standing, standing. Standing, standing.
Kaya.
Okay. We are done. Don't play too much today. Hello, my pretty girl. Yeah. That's all for today. They don't play too much today. Thank you so much for always watching our videos. Bye bye for now.